Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to Japan Study Center. Today we are going to see the chapter of geography, and what is our topic today? The concept and mechanism of monsoon here. What is the mechanism monsoon here? The monsoon refer to a system of winds in a tropical regions under which is the directions of wind is a reverse is a completely between to the summer and winter season here. Under this system, the winds blow from a land to sea in a winter and from sea to land in a summer. There is an important point to note down your copies. There are wind blow from the land to sea in a winter and from sea to land in a summer. Therefore, the most of the rainfall is the region influenced by the monsoon is received in a summer season, and while the winter season is generally dry. The monsoon implants their system of tropical winds with the complete reversal in there is a direction between to winter and summer here. According to their traditional belief, the monsoon is caused by the differential heating of land and sea. Due to the higher temperature over to land in a summer, a low pressure area devolves over to the continent and winds blow from the reservoirs is ocean toward the land. And this is a wind of the maritime origin and hence the cause of ample rainfall in a summer here. On the other hand, the continent become a colder than the warnings is the ocean in the winter. As a result, a high pressure area is devolved over to the continent. Therefore, winds blow from land to sea in a winter, and these winds begin to continental origin are dry and do not a case of rain. And this traditional story theories as a monsoon has been ascertained by their German meteorologist Hahn. And his argues there is the different heating of land and sea not enough to the causing of seasonal reversal of their wind at the global scale. He has explained there is origin of the monsoon on the basis of the seasonal shift of the pressure and wind belt under the influence of the shift of the vertical ray of the sun. According to this theory, has the vertical ray of the sun shift is the northward over the tropical of Cancer in a summer season. The intertropical is a convection zone. There is an important point. There is a full form ITCZ. There is the intertropically convection zone here, and also shift to the north. This result in the formation of the low pressure area over the northwestern part of India, and this low pressure is further intensified by the high temperature in this region. And this low pressure area, the air from there is important here. This low pressure area suck the air from the Indian Ocean toward to the Indian landmass in form of southwest monsoon. In the winter season, there are ITCG. There are ITCG here, intertropical convection zone here, and shift is the northward, and mild pressure, high pressure is produced over to the northern part of India here, and this high pressure is further intensified by the equator, what shift to be a subtropical high pressure belt. Due to the high pressure over the north India, their wind start blowing from a northeast as a retreating monsoon here. And according in the recent observation, the original Indian monsoon influenced by the number of other factors. Besides, there is a differential is the heating of land and sea and the seasonal shift of pressure and wind belt here. One of the monsoon important factor among this in the system of subtropically versatile and tropical estuarine jet stream here. The subtropical versatile jet streams blowing over to India in a winter and cases to high pressure over to northern India. It thus intercepted there is a northern east monsoon here. And this jet stream shift the northward behind is India is a summer season, and tropical jet is a developed over India in this season. And this behavior of jet stream is a partly responsible for the variation in the time of onset of southwest monsoons over India here. The next is a box here is the most important According to the traditional belief, monsoon is caused by the differential heating and cooling of land and sea air. And here, Fulhan and German meteorologist is open that a monsoon originate due to the shifting of planetary pressure and wind belt here. And third point is important here. According to the modern scientist, the origin of Indian monsoon is influenced by a number of factors and important among them to the system of jet stream here. There is the most important point.